Express US shipping, custom packaging for your brand, American support agents, complete private labeling, full automation, 24/7 live chat support, bulk ordering, thank you letters, real-time analytics, and you can get started for free? If you're still using AliExpress, what are you doing? Welcome to the channel. I'm Bruce from EcomKong, and I'm super excited to get started with our Zendrop Shopify store build series. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through part 1, where we break down the back end of our store and really start to build out its foundation. Stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to share with you the number 1 skill that most dropshippers overlook and a resource you're not going to want to miss out on. First, let me take you over to the checklist of things we're going to need to get started. First, we're going to update our payment settings because we want to be able to get paid once those orders start coming in. Next, we're going to change the default shipping settings on Shopify and update them to free standard shipping. Then we're going to create our legal policies. Don't be afraid if you're not a lawyer. Shopify provides templates for us so that we can quickly build out these policies. Then we're going to update our main menus and footer menus using the policies and the pages that we create. And lastly, we're going to connect Zendrop and import our first product. Let's get started. So once you've signed up for your free 90-day Shopify trial by clicking the link in the description below, you'll land on your homepage that looks just like this. Now if you see over here on the left side of the screen, we'll have some tabs. We'll have home, orders, products, customers, analytics, marketing, discounts, and apps. When we come over here to online store and we click, we'll be able to see our website. So right now we haven't edited our theme, so there's nothing here besides the standard theme. We click on online store, and right in here we can customize our theme. You can create blog posts, we can add pages, we can update our main menus and footer menu here. We can link domains, and when we come into preferences, we'll add in our Facebook pixel over here. But for now, let's hop in and update our payment settings. So we're going to come down to settings and choose payments. And Shopify Payments is the default payment processor for Shopify stores, and they make it really quick and easy to connect your bank account to your store so that you can get paid. Simply select Activate Shopify Payments and fill out the information to connect your bank account. Now you want to do this before you do anything else so that you be sure that you get paid whenever a customer makes an order on your store. We're also going to suggest that you go ahead and add your PayPal as an express checkout option on your store. This will definitely help increase your conversion rate. And so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to hop into the shipping settings and update that. So we're going to click on settings. We're going to come to shipping and delivery. Now we're going to choose manage rates. And as you can see here, there will be a bunch of default setting shippings associated with the store. And we're going to want to go ahead and delete all of these because as you can see, the conditions are 0 to 1 pound, 1 to 5 pound. None of this stuff applies to what we're going to be doing. So you're going to come over here and select the 3 buttons and delete all of them. You're going to choose add rate, free, standard, shipping, free, done. You're going to come over to rest of the world, and we're also going to delete the default shipping settings. And we're going to add a rate, free, standard, shipping. And remember to press save. And now your shipping settings are set up correctly. Once customers go through checkout, they will see free standard shipping. They won't be charged. So now your shipping settings are set up correctly. We're going to go ahead and start to edit the legal policies. So remember before I said, don't worry if you're not a lawyer because Shopify gives you their templates. So all you have to do is create from template. Create from template. And you do this for all of them except for the shipping policy. We'll go ahead and throw in a link in the description below of a shipping policy that you can use and throw into this space here because Shopify doesn't provide you with a template. Now for all of these, be sure to go through all of them and make sure that they're custom for your store. If there's certain things in here that you don't need, take them out. And also be sure to replace the email with the proper email that you're using for your store. And from here, we're just going to go ahead and click save. And now your legal policies are all set up. So now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to jump in and start editing our navigation menus. And to do that, we're going to come over to Online Store and choose Navigation. Now, as you can see here, we have Main Menu and Footer Menu. And we're going to update the main menu first. But to do that, we're going to go ahead and create an About Us page, a Contact Us page, and a Frequently Asked Questions page. So we're going to go into Pages and choose Add Page. The first one we're going to do is Contact Us. And for the Contact Us page, be sure to come over here and select page.contact and save. And this will automatically create the contact form for you. So there, right there. Now we're going to come back and we're going to add an About page. And then we're also going to add a Frequently Asked Questions page. And right now we're just creating the pages, and later on we'll come back in and edit them. Save. All right, so now we're going to come back over to our main menu, and we're going to add those pages to it. Link, pages, about, add menu. We're going to repeat this process for all three. Done. Okay, so this is how we like to set it up. We'll move Contact Us to the end. Now we have Home, Catalog, About, Frequently Asked Questions, and Contact Us. Later on, we'll probably go in and edit this and change it to Shop and connect a product collection to it. Now save. Okay, so now the main menu is set up. And for the footer menu, this is where we're going to go in and add in some of the legal policies. Before we do that, we're going to throw in a Contact Us one more time. And now we're going to come in and add some of those legal policies. Privacy, refund, and terms of service. Now the shipping info, the shipping policy will also pop up there once you go in and edit it. Right now, since we don't have anything in the box provided, it's not going to show up as an option to add to the navigation menu. All right, so now we have our main menus and footer menus set up. And the next step is going to be connecting Zendrop to our store. Once you've clicked on the link in the description to go to Zendrop, you'll arrive on their homepage. And this is what it looks like. And as you can see, why use Zendrop? They have fast shipping, custom packaging, American support agents, custom private labeling. You can fully automate your store, 24/7 live chat support, bulk orders, thank you letters, real-time analytics. If you're tired of the headaches of using AliExpress, use Zendrop. That's who we use. Click sign up for free and go ahead and fill out this information. Now once you signed up, you can see the 3 different plans they have. They have the starter plan, which is completely free, and that's more than enough to get you going. The most popular one, and the one that we suggest once you start getting some orders, is a $49 a month plan. This is the best one because they offer the express shipping. I mean, 4 to 7 days to the US is incredible. But we're going to go ahead and choose the starter one. Now we're going to need to connect it to our store. So all we're going to need to do is go ahead and grab the URL from our store and paste it in right here and connect. And then install the app. Let it load. And now Zendrop is connected to your store. And as you can see, they have a little blog post here to help you deal with some of the delayed shipping caused by COVID. And this is inside Zendrop. Now, when we go back over to our Shopify dashboard and we go to apps and we see Zendrop right here, we'll click on it and it will take us right to our Zendrop dashboard. And from the dashboard, you'll be able to see all the analytics for the sales you've generated on your store. It'll tell you the number of orders, the revenue, the cost associated with the products, and your overall profit. We come into find products. They have a huge array of products to choose from. They have product categories, made in USA, tech, pets. You can break it down by the price range for the products you want to sell. When we come into this product, you can see here the shipping times, 15 to 18 days to the US. And if you want express 10 to 12 days shipping for only $1 extra. Forget AliExpress, Zendrop is the move. And now we'll add this product to our Shopify store. All we have to do is click add to import list and come up here to import list. And right here, you'll be able to rename the product, add a product tag, choose the collection. You can change the description right here, pick your variants, and choose the images that you want to put on the Shopify store. But we can also, we can edit the description within Shopify and rearrange the images as we want. So right from here, we're just going to choose import to store. And when we come over to our Shopify dashboard and go to products, let it load. There it is. So now we've added our first product from Zendrop to our store. And now before I let you in on the #1 secret that holds most dropshippers back from creating profitable stores, go ahead and smash that like button below this video. We want to grow our community and reach as many people as possible, and we really need your support. So go ahead and before you do anything else, hit that like button. Are you ready? The #1 skill that dropshippers overlook when marketing their products is copywriting. I'm not talking about copyright with an R, I'm talking about writing sales copy. Imagine being able to write product and ad copy that is so enticing, even the most skeptical buyers will be handing over their credit cards. Well, you can, even if you've never wrote sales copy in your life. Now check out this article we wrote that breaks down copywriting for dropshipping, along with the #1 resource we suggest to get started. The link is in the description below. Copywriting is overlooked by 99% of people who are new to dropshipping. If you can develop just this one skill, you'll put yourself way ahead of the competition. We wrote this article to help new online business owners overcome this hurdle and write sales copy that will drastically improve the conversion rates of their online stores. We've also shared with you the best resource we use every day when writing our own sales copy. It's called The Copywriter's Playbook, written by our man David Sharp, who has sold over $200 million in products online over the past decade. The best part is you can get access to it for just $1 by clicking the link in our article. We'll be using this tool to build out our product page in the next video, so stay tuned. Thanks for checking out part 1 of our Zendrop Shopify store build series, and don't forget to smash that like button below. One last thing, we're giving away a free Shopify store build to a random subscriber who comments Shopify dropshipping below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to have a custom store built from scratch by our team. We look forward to seeing you in part 2 next week.